raining bad right now. I can't even see what the hell. It's 122 degree. Heading to Cabazon, see what's the deal. Alright, we just passed, got here by Morongo Casino, about to exit. Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So my wife picked this up at Banana Republic factory at the Desert Hill outlet store by Cabazon. So let's go and then check this out, see what she got. Let's see. So the total damage is $127.29 for all these pieces. So let's go ahead and see what she got. So this is like a jacket. This one's a little bit different. You got the pocket right here on the top, and then on the bottom there's a flap opening pocket as well. On one side only, on the other side just a flap pocket. Size 10. Wow, it says $119.99 for this. Come with the extra buttons. One small one, one big one. And there's a pocket right here on the top. Oh, just for looks. Oh no, it is a pocket. And one side of collar has like a stitching right here. So they have two buttons. For this jacket. And there is a small button. Got 4 of them for your wrists. And there is no inner pockets. So this one's $119.99 minus $60. Plus we have a coupon booklet minus $9. Oh, because if you purchase $100, you get an additional 15% off on the coupon booklet. So this jacket become $50.99, which is below half price, which is good. So let's go and see what's this one. This one is extra small, made in Indonesia. Wow, $109.99. Banana Republic is pretty expensive, but they have a good materials and lasts a pretty long time. I got one of the sweater have it for like more than a decade, so I still have it. So this one has like a weird color design all the way down to your hand. You got this big sleeve, pretty big and wide, but it's a short sleeve. It's a different design. And this one is $109.99. Take out $65.99 minus $6 becomes $37.40, which is a pretty good deal. And then she got this pants, size medium, $68.99, made in Vietnam. And the waistband is elastic. You got the zipper on your thigh or your leg area. And then there's an additional button flap for the pocket that right below to the zipper pocket. So kind of like a cargo pants, but on the bottom by the ankle area you got this elastic. And also you got your left and right hand pockets, and you got this draw cord with the square toward the end of your drawstring. Alright, hopefully you guys like the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on your bell for notification. And drop it in the comments down below. The pants was $69.99 minus $35 minus additional $5.25. So the pants turned out to be $29.74. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.